Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 4. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. In the adjoining figure 11.12, AB is a diameter of the circle, C is its center. Express the diameter of the circle D in terms of its radius R. Right? Here we can write in the figure according to the figure that AB is equal to AB is equal to, you can write AB is equal to BC plus CA. BC equal to AB equal to BC plus CA. Now since C is the center is the C is the center C is the center of the circle, center is the center of the circle, center of the circle. Therefore, we can say that BC is equal to, we can say, therefore we can say that BC is equal to CA. Right? Now you can write here that BC in place of CA, we can write BC plus BC. Then we can write here AB is equal to twice of BC. Now what is AB? Here AB is the diameter of the circle, right? Then we can write diameter can be expressed as D, small d, is equal to twice of BC. Now we have to know what is the meaning of radius BC. BC is the distance from the center to the circumference, right? And this is known as radius, right? That is BC is the radius of the circle. Therefore, you can say that D or diameter. Therefore, you can say that D or diameter is equal to 2R, or you can say diameter equal to twice of radius, right? Therefore, you can say that diameter D is equal to 2R, or you can say that diameter is equal to 2 into radius. This is the relation between diameter and radius. As I repeat once again, here you see that AB is the diameter of the circle, and C is the center of the circle. Therefore, we can say that BC is the middle point of AB, right? Therefore, BC is equal to CA. Or you can write that AB, we can write that AB equal to, here we can write AB equal to BC. Here we can write here first one, AB is equal to BC plus CA. BC plus CA. AB equal to BC plus CA. Since C is the center of the circle, we can say that BC is equal to CA. Or you can write BC plus BC, or AB equal to twice of BC, or AB is the diameter, that is D, and BC, what is BC? Here is C. C is the center of the circle and B is a point on the circumference of the circle. The distance between the center and the circumference of a circle is called as radius, right? That is twice of BC. That BC is equal to radius. Therefore, D is equal to 2R, or you can say that diameter is equal to twice of radius.